Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the watch and getting the app ready. Plug in the USB-C cable and charge to at least 50% so the initial setup completes without interruption. Once done, install the North Edge app on your phone and enable Bluetooth plus location services. This lets the watch sync and get firmware. Make sure to create an account and sign in, granting notification and fitness permissions so calls, messages, and health data flow correctly between devices. You now pair and configure core options. Open the app, tap Add Device, and scan for the watch Bluetooth ID. Confirm the numeric pairing code shown on both devices. After pairing, allow any firmware updates. They fix bugs and add features, so accept and wait until complete. Then set your time zone and measurement units and pick a primary watch face that shows key data. Once synced, customize quick access shortcuts so the features you use most are one swipe away. You finish by validating features and making final adjustments. Test incoming calls and notifications, check the heart rate sensor and GPS during a short walk, and confirm health data syncs within 1 to 2 minutes. Next, customize workout profiles, set alarms, and configure Do Not Disturb windows to match your routine. If something goes wrong, try restarting the watch first, then repairing via the app. As a last resort, use the factory reset to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.